Page 60, exercise 2.5 and exercise 2.6. Actually, I'm going to cover exercise 2.6. We'll talk a little bit about 2.5, what they're trying, I don't know what they're trying to do, you figure it out. On page 59, they're talking about intervals. To simply say it, an interval is a distance between any two notes. Now, normally, they don't get into the types of intervals in method books. You save that for later. This book is just giving it all to you. Good luck. So, an interval, we've already had them. You have a second is one. If I want a fifth, I count up to 5. And the note I'm on is always 1. We don't start with 0 in music. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember the magic numbers of 1, 4, and 5. Those are the perfect intervals because we have types of intervals. So we have a perfect fourth, perfect fifth, a unison is perfect, and the octave, the 8, same as that, is perfect. All the others are major and minor. So we have a second, it's a major second, third, major third, then the fourth is perfect, fifth is perfect, sixth is a major sixth, seventh is a major seventh, and I'm in a major key, I'm in C major. The minor just goes down a half a step. So in a second, if I want a minor second, I just go here. It's a minor second. Sounds wonderful, huh? Major third to minor third, I go down 1. I could go up from the bottom, same difference. I'm decreasing it a half a step, so minor third, perfect fourth. If I take it down, it's not major and minor. Skip that. We're doing major and minor right now. So skip fourth and fifth. Go to sixth. Take it down. It's a minor sixth. Seventh. Take it down. It's a minor seventh. If I want to go up, I augment it. So I have a second. If I take it up here, it's an augmented second. Excuse me. Third, augmented third, skip fourth and fifth, so you get the idea. Well, now with the perfect, if you go down 1, it's not a minor, it's diminished. You diminish, you lower. So a perfect fourth, if I want to take it down 1, it's a diminished fourth, it's here. Same as a major third. Perfect fifth, take it down, it's a diminished fifth. Octave, if I take it down, it's a diminished octave. If I take it up, it's augmented. Augmented works the same in major, minor, or perfect, whatever. So a fourth, if I want to take it up, it's an augmented fourth. Fifth, augmented fifth. You get the idea? And that's what they're telling you on page 59. Okay. From pages 61 on to the rest of Unit 2, they talk more about major and minor scales. And I would just as soon you go do my scale video on whatever the key is for the piece you're working on. And that's how I approach them. You can do what they're doing. They're taking it up on page 61. They're taking the scales up 2 octaves, and that's fine. That's the intermediate level in my scale video. And if you're really this advanced, yeah, go do the intermediate level on the scales now. Because the beginner level on my scale videos, you just go up and down 1 octave. All you're trying to do is learn the fingerings for the scales and which notes are white or black or whatever. The intermediate level, now you're going to go up 2 octaves up and down. And that's probably good for you. Just follow the fingering. The fingerings are fine. There's kind of a standard fingerings on the scales, so it's, yeah, just use it. It's fine. Over on page 64 and 65, they start talking about broken chords. Well, a block chord, B-L-O-C-K, a block chord, they show them, it's where all the notes go down at the same time. A broken chord is any other pattern. They're giving you examples of starting with the bottom note and then playing each one at a time. And they're doing it, going up, doing the inversions too. It's good to know that, because you'll run across it in pieces. If you can play it, that's handy. So, but broken chords can be any number of patterns, and generally you'll get them in the left hand. So it doesn't hurt to know them. Just know they exist. A broken chord, because you'll see these things. It'll help you read the music. It'll help you understand the music if you can kind of get a grasp of these chords and the scales and the keys and so forth. And that's your complete unit 2. Now, for this exercise, this is just going up, and it's going to sound a little weird, just going up like a minor second or down a minor second, or, you know, it's just, it's like a chromatic. You're just going up a little bit. A lot of accidentals here. And so just play the notes that are written, watch the accidentals, watch the fingering, you'll be fine. And let's try this out 3 or 4 times. You do it first, one hand at a time, work it out, and then when you're ready, check it with me, because it's easy to get wrong notes in this one, because it just sounds weird. If you like weird, you're going to love this. Yeah. So the left hand starts here, and the right hand's going to be here. Isn't that wonderful? Let's 1, ready, go. Three, off.